Greetings parents and children. Hope everybody is well. My names are Judy Ssemugabi Bachaita. Today we are going to have our third lesson. Luganda Lesson 3. Essomo eryokusatu mu Luganda. Today we are going to learn about alphabet, and in Luganda we call them enukta. Enukta. These are the English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are our Luganda alphabet. We call them enukta. Enukta. In Luganda, we don't have Q, we don't have X. We don't use Q, we don't use X. Instead, we have this letter and this letter. Instead of Q and X, we have this letter and this letter. So, these are our Luganda alphabet. A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, Yi, Ja, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, O, Pa, Ra, Sa, Ta, Wu, Va, Wa, Ya, Za, Nya, Nga. Nya, Nga. Those are the two letters we have instead of X and Q. English consonants, and in Luganda we say enukta ensilif. Enukta ensilif. English: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. In Luganda: Ba, Cha, Da, Fa, Ga, Ha, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na, Pa, Ra, Sa, Ta, Va, Wa, Ya, Za, Nya, Nga. These are the vowels. Vowels in English. In Luganda we call them enukta enjogeza. Enukta enjogeza. They are the same as the English ones. A, E, I, O, U. In Luganda we say A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So these are the 26 letters we use in Luganda. In Luganda we call them walifu y'Oluganda. Walifu y'Oluganda. Remember, we don't have X, we don't have Q. We don't have X, we don't have Q. Instead, we have Nga, this letter, Nga, and Nya. This is one letter called Nya. And while we are writing in Luganda, we don't use this letter. It's difficult to find it. We can't find it on the keyboard. So instead of pronouncing this letter, we use N and G. When you add N and G, we get this letter, Nga, Nga. So these are the 26 letters we use in Luganda. A, E, I, O, U, Wa, Ya, Cha, Ha, Nga, Ba, Pa, Va, Fa, Ma, Da, Ta, La, Ra, Na, Za, Sa, Ja, Ga, Ka, and Nya. Nya. This is the end of our lesson 3. This is the end of our Luganda lesson 3. Enkomerero y'essomo eryokusatu. Thank you for listening. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed lesson 1 and lesson 2, you can find them on my YouTube channel. It's called Judy's Basket. Please don't forget to subscribe when you get there. Thank you. Mwebale. Thank you. Mwebale.